This is the Evolution R255 SMS, which is a 10-inch sliding mitre saw. This saw has a powerful 2000 watt motor, and the blade that is supplied with the machine will cut through wood, metal or plastics very easily. You can of course swap the blade over for a diamond disc, and that will enable you to cut masonry or steel reinforced concrete, etc. So that makes this one of the most versatile saws that you can actually get. When you get the machine, it does come with rubber feet, meaning that you can use it on a bench like this, or you can fit the Evolution leg stand, which does make it a lot easier to use. So we'll start by undoing this knob. We can then press that lever underneath, and that then enables you to turn the machine to 50 degrees in either direction. The machine also has positive locks at all of the important angles, such as 15 degrees, 22.5, 30 and 45 degrees. On this side of the machine we have the work clamp that can be moved to either side of the machine depending on what you are cutting. And we also have a hex key which has two sizes on it, which makes it very useful. You should only need that one hex key to do anything on the machine. We've also got a depth stop. That is very useful if you are trenching. And the beauty of the depth stop is you can actually set it to cut a depth. And then if you don't want to use it, you can simply flip that up out of the way, enabling you to do a full depth of cut. At the back there we have the fence, and that has got the scale on one side. This saw only tilts over to the left, so if you were doing a cut like that, you would have to remove that fence out of the way like so. You can also replace the brushes on this machine very easily, as you can with all Evolution machines. We've then got a spindle lock button. That is the guide release lever, and then the switch to switch it on and off is on the inside of the handle, and at the side there we've got the switch for the laser. We've then got the lockdown pin, which will prevent the head from lifting up. We've then got the vacuum port, and we've got the knob there to lock the sliding mechanism for when you're transporting it. If you need to bevel the machine, you simply undo that. You can bevel the machine over to the desired angle, and then you can tighten that in the correct position. This saw actually has a soft start feature, so when you squeeze the handle, it actually starts very slowly. And it also has an electronic brake, so the blade actually stops very quickly. I'm now going to put on some hearing protection and some safety glasses, and then I'm going to cut a few test pieces for you to look at. I will actually reduce the volume when I come to edit the video. These are some of the pieces that I've just cut. Obviously I can't actually talk when I've got the saw running because I also have the vacuum cleaner running and it is very noisy. But that is the architrave that I've cut at 45 degrees. You can see that that is absolutely perfect. And this is the bevel cut that I did on the 8-inch skirting board. I'm now going to change the blade on this. I'm going to put a diamond disc on to cut some masonry. That's the Evolution R255 SMS. It is one of the most versatile mitre saws that you can get. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.